Rosie! Welcome back everyone for another cooking video. I got something special today. We're gonna make one of my favorite foods of all time, and that is chicken fried rice. Oh, I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited because I already know this is gonna be delicious, and everything about it is just, I'm hungry. I'm hungry right now. And if you're new here to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, do all that good. I appreciate you all again. Thank you, and let's get right into this recipe. Yay! We're gonna start off this recipe using some chicken breast, lightly season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna cut it up into fine little slices. And then when that's done, we're gonna let it chill and move on to the next part, which is making the sauce. So next comes the sauce. We're gonna do that very quickly, very easily. I'm getting more impatient by the second because I'm hungry, and we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna add in 6 cloves of garlic. We're gonna grate that. We're gonna get in some ginger, also grate that. Add in some brown sugar, throw that in, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some vinegar. So we're done the sauce. Put this to the side. We're gonna grab about 4 eggs, whisk them together, and make some scrambled eggs inside this little pot right now. Gonna give these boys a nice whisk up in here. Oh, throw in some vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now it's ready to go. Just dump in our egg, salt in my eggs. Almost forgot about that. We're not gonna cook these eggs completely 100% because we're gonna throw them back in. I don't want the eggs to be overcooked, and right now it's literally done. Transfer eggs onto a plate. Let it rest for a bit. Then we have the big boy, the big wok. We're gonna add in, I don't know how much vegetable oil. We're gonna sort of eyeball it. Stir it around. Oh, it's fighting back. Chill. I already diced up all my vegetables. I'm gonna throw in my carrots, my green, oh my god, and then my spring onion. Cook all that. We're gonna be cooking this until everything is nice and soft. I really don't want to be eating anything that's a little bit raw. I like it to be thoroughly cooked, my guy.
5 minutes later.
This is done. Transfer it onto a little plate. Okay. Vegetable is done. Now we're gonna add some more vegetable oil. Now toss in the chicken. The chicken should cook fairly fast. I would cook this for about maybe 4 minutes or until it's ready to go. I'm excited, it's almost done. We're almost done, baby. Jeez, this chicken is done. I'm gonna set it aside on the same bowl that our vegetables are in. Add in some more vegetable oil. Alright, some more. And for the key ingredient in all of this that we've gone through so far is obviously the rice. I'm gonna get that right now. I'm gonna toss all of it in with this vegetable oil inside, and then I'm gonna throw in the sauce. So I'm gonna just go right into it. Let's go. Oh. I'm gonna cook it at a lower temperature because I don't want it to get burnt. While that's inside there, I'm gonna pour over the sauce that we made. And I swear, hopefully this comes out nice, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. We gotta mix it in super fast though, super fast. I want it to be darker. I don't want this rice to be the color it is right now. I want it to be dark. I want it to be dark. I'm gonna get more soy sauce. I wanna give it that nice color, that dark color that I want. What the fuck? Why isn't the color coming out the way it's supposed to? I don't have dark soy sauce. We're gonna have to make do with this. I honestly thought it was gonna come out a little bit darker. Now, I'm finally gonna add in all the other things that we made to this fried rice, including our egg. Oh, hell yeah. I wanted this rice to be physically looking darker, but I didn't have the dark soy sauce. I didn't even know that was a thing. I used my regular soy sauce, and it better be nice. It better be nice. Last ingredient is literally adding a tablespoon of sesame oil, and that's it. That's the final touch. I know, maybe a little bit more. Look a bit more. Sesame oil just inside there. And we're finally done. I present to you our chicken fried rice. I'm kind of mad that it's sort of light, but we're gonna taste test right now. Let's go chicken fried rice. It's not bad. It's not bad. But it's not the best either. I'm pissed. It tastes good, but it doesn't taste great. You know what I mean? This could have come out better. I don't know why it didn't. I followed the instructions exactly as it said. Maybe it's because I used 2.5 giant cups of rice when I cooked it, that it came out like this. And when the other people made it, they used like less rice, so everything was more like really inside there, and this is more like spread out and sporadic. But it tastes good, don't get me wrong, but not what we were shooting for. I think I'll have to make this one again. For all my people out there that love fried rice, doesn't matter what sort of fried rice, the best I've ever had my whole life is downtown Chinatown, Toronto, at Swat's house. Oh my god, yo, their rice, I don't know what they do with it, but it's literally the best thing of all time. But anyways, that's this week's video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching again, and I'll be back on the next one.